Hi guys, 22 long rifle, 110 yards. This translates to 100 meters in the metric system. This is the CZ455. I'm still using the RWS R100 ammunition. 22 long rifle caliber. And actually it's 109 yards and something. But I just made this video to be able to review my rimfire range quality time at home. I'm sorry for the vibrations and bad accuracy, but there was this guy with a Lee Enfield 303 British shooting to my left, and I was not really concentrated. I'm also sorry for the soundtrack on this video, but I just had to eliminate the sound on this part of the video because this 303 did make a lot of noise. And anyway guys, it's a tough job to shoot through the screen of any camera. So actually all my respects go out to the guys like Ted's holdover, and any other guys that have actually elevated this kind of shooting to in my opinion, contemporary art form. As usual guys, I'm gonna show you the results at the end of this video. Here they are. The grouping without the camera is a lot better than the grouping with the camera, which is obvious. You can see here, center group was shot without Scopecam, which gives a lot better accuracy. As usual guys, thanks for watching. See you again next time.